All right, let's go for a lap around the Ozarks together, shall we? So coming into last turn here, we got a real sharp left-hander. Get on the gas early. Use the whole pit road there as your exit. Shift a little bit early so we're not shifting at the apex, because that's how we money shift the car, and we don't want to do that. We're going to come all the way to the outside here, almost touch the wall, all the way outside, brake at that very last brake marker, turn it in gently, aim for that cone, let it slide out the exit here. Bring it back, just a dabble do your brakes, sharp turn left to the right there, use the hill. Use that hill to let you turn in. Same thing here, get your turn in done before the crest of the hill. That way the car is nice and settled as it comes over the crest. Single steering input here, all the way around, single steering input, steer it with the throttle. If you need to come out, use more gas. If you need to come in, use less gas. Get your turn done before the apex at that turn. Coming all the way up to the hill here, nice and smooth over the hill. Know where you're aiming. Full throttle all the way through here if you're ballsy enough. I'm not right now because tires are hot. It's the end of the day and I don't want to crash. Full throttle now. All right, let's come down the hill. Wait till you're over the apex or over the crest of the hill to shift. Do not use the brakes on the crest of those hills. That's a good way to wipe out. All right, tab-a-boo your brakes, full throttle again, all the way up the hill here. We're in a Miata, so, you know, full throttle for most of this outer section of the race course, but it is what it is. Keep going, full throttle, just a little lift at the hill there, turning in, full throttle again, and we're coming all the way down the hill here, hitting about 110. And just a dabble do your brakes here. The car gets light, so just keep nice steady steering input, let it skip to the outside of the track. Heavy braking section, fourth, third, all the way into the apex, a little sideways, yeehaw! Well, that's not the fast way to take that corner, but it sure was fun. All right, let's keep coming up here for third gear into fourth. This is a weird one. Turn in, and then it hits a little bit of a dip in the road. So turn in here, it's off camber, but don't worry, it comes back to you. It's on camber right there. So you turn in off camber, the car's sliding out, it feels like you're not gonna make the turn. All right, heavy braking section, third, second. Use all the rumble strip at the exit there. There we go. Again, end of the day, so we're using a dab of brakes there, but early in the day when you got good, fresh, cold tires, cold track, that section is full throttle all the way. Down to third. Keep it tight here, down into second. Get on the gas early as you can, use that pit road exit, and that's a lap of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us today. If you look out your windshield, you'll see a grand old time. Come join us next time.